Hello and welcome, friends. Today I talk about famous illustrated moral stories. Maple Kids. Famous illustrated tales of moral stories. Maple Press. Content. Best friends forever. Best friend. Best friends forever. Once upon a Once upon a time there lived a king. He was very fond of his royal elephant. The king provided his elephant with the best food and a large tent to live in. The elephant was happy and content. A dog lived in the same kingdom. All day it would roam in the street in search of food, but rarely got anything to eat. It was weak and its bones used to show through its skin. One day the dog was looking for food around the elephant's tent. When it peeked in the tent, it was amazed to find all the food that the king had arranged for the elephant. Temp- Tempted, it got inside the tent when the Mahout was not looking and began eating the food. From that day on, the dog began to live with the elephant and feed on the food that the elephant did not eat. The elephant too did not seem to mind. In fact, he had found a friend in the dog. With time, their friendship grew. Together they began to live happily in the tent. The dog's health improved and he began to look very cute. Began to look very cute. One day a man came One day a man came to visit the Mahout. He liked the dog very much and asked the Mahout he could have the dog. Since the dog was of no use to him or the king, the Mahout agreed to. The man took the dog with him. The elephant was very sad to have his friends taken away from him. He began to miss the dog very much. He stopped eating and fell sick. The best animal doctors were called to looking at the elephant, but they failed to make him better. Then one day the Mahout remembered the dog. He realized he had done a mistake. He realized he had done a mistake. He went to the king and told him everything about the dog. At once a messenger was asked to announce. At once a messenger was asked to announce in the city for anyone who had the dog. Anyone who had the dog which lived in the royal elephant tent must return the dog to the king immediately. He shall be paid by the king for it. The messenger announced while beating his drum. The man who had taken the dog did not lose any time in returning the dog. The elephant gained its health again when he got his friend back, and they spent the rest of their lives in each other's company. Moral stories to lose of friends. Moral to lose of friends is the greatest of the all losses. To lose a friend is the greatest of all losses. Second, topic, the drummer's son. Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a drummer with his wife and son. The drummer was very skilled. He would often take his son with him to all the wedding festivals and fetes where he played his drums. Slowly, his son also learned to play the drums and began to play with his father. One day a traveler from a nearby city liked their drumming and advised them to go to the annual fair that was taking place in his city. The drummers and his son set off for the city the next day. It was noon when they reached the fair. It was a large fair and people from near and far visited. The drummers and his son took their stand in the heart of the fair and began to play. Soon some people gathered around them. Then more people came to listen to their drumming. Then they began to clap with their drumming. Some of them even dances to the music. Money began to pour on the seat spread in front of them. Where the day ended, the drummer and his son were very happy with the amount of money they had earned that day. They counted the coins and set off for home. The drummer could not have could not wait to share the news with his wife. On the way, they had to cross a forest. It was getting dark. The drummers knew that the forest was home of some deadly robbers. He warned his son to be quiet while they crossed the forest, but his son was very confident after the day's success. We will go through the forest while playing our drums, his son said. This will scare the robbers away. He continued to play his drum loudly while they walked through the forest. His father kept on asking him to stop, but son did not listen to him. The robbers in the forest heard the sound of the drums. They wondered how many people were crossing the forest. They did they hid behind they hid behind trees and watched the drummers and his son. When they found out that they could easily attack the two men, they did not have wait anymore. The poor drummers and his son were robbed of all the money. They had to go back home empty handed. Moral of the stories: always act as per the situation. Always act as per the situation. Next topic, third topic, the clever crow. The clever crow. It was a hot summer afternoon. Last night's storms had blown the crow's nest away and he now needed a nest to rest at night. New nest to rest at night after the day was done. The crow preached on the television antenna and rested. He was feeling very thirsty. He began to look around him for a drink water, but he could not find any linking tap or puddle. The sun was shining brightly and it made him thirsty. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.